Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be week 4, so that means my 30-day challenge is over. I hope you guys have enjoyed the series. Let me know, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see a more extended version of this challenge, let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more videos from me about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell that pops up next to it so you can always be notified every single time I upload a video. Follow me on my social medias linked down below. Let's just get started. Hey guys, welcome to day 22. It is 2:09 on April 18th. We are going to be taking, sorry, my phone was in the way, the Halo Beauty. Wait, yep, there it is. We are almost done with the 30 days. So that brings us to week 4. Last week, this is all that's left, obviously. So far, I have very mixed feelings. Half the time it's working, and then the other half of the time, I don't really see a change. We shall see. I feel like my nails are growing a little bit. I'm trying not to cut them yet, so I can show you guys how much it has grown. This nail is always growing longer than the others. All the white stuff at the top, that would be cut off. That's how I cut my nails, and that's how I kind of like it. I don't know if they're any stronger than normal. Yeah, it promotes healthy, strong nails. I mean, she said strong and healthy, but I said healthy and strong, whatever. It's supposed to thicken your hair. I think it has. It looks thick. People have told me I have thick hair. When I touch it, it feels thin to me. Hey guys, it is 3:50 p.m. on April 19th. I almost said April 20th. Oops. Welcome to day 23 of this little journey. We're gonna take the pill. This little white thing keeps getting in my way. I almost dropped it off the desk. That would have been really bad. Hey guys, welcome to day 24. It is 4:30 p.m. on Friday, April 20th, and we are going to take the Halo Beauty. Look, it's almost done. We're almost done, guys. So far, I don't know if I have noticed a ton of difference. Half the time I feel like it's working, and the other half the time I feel like it's not. My acne looks like it's kind of gone. There's still some stuff like on my nose if you look really closely. My nails, I do feel like they have grown faster than they normally would. Honestly, I can't wait to cut them after this week because I hate having long nails because they always start chipping off. And I don't feel like my nails are stronger or anything. I'm beginning to think that this is not working, but I do think my hair has grown a tad bit. In that respect, I think maybe it has worked. I don't know though. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I am really conflicted. I really cannot tell. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome to day 25. It is 5 p.m. on Saturday, April 21st, and we are going to take our Halo Beauty for today. This white thing is so annoying. See, it keeps coming out. And that's it for today. Honestly, haven't noticed much change. I think my skin is a little bit more moisturized. I don't know, I can't tell. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to day 26. It is Sunday, April 22nd, and it is 10:30 a.m. Wow, I just wrote p.m. Dumb AF. I heard buzzing. Did you guys hear buzzing? I think there's a fly in my room. Anyway, it is day 26, so we are going to take our Halo Beauty. I can't believe we're almost done. Wow. Try and stay. Why did it just focus on not me? Here we go. Right now, I'm gonna save my final thoughts for day 30. For now, I think the biggest change I've seen is the growth of my nails. They don't feel super strong. They're still breaking a little, which is what always happens when I grow my nails out long like this, which is also another reason I like to keep them short. But if you guys want me to do a video on why I like to keep my fingernails short, give this video a thumbs up and comment. It's just my fingernails. My toenails don't really seem to have grown. It just says nails. I'm going to think that it's for all nails. I feel like maybe my hair is getting a tiny bit thicker. It's not super noticeable, but my fingernails are definitely the thing that I noticed way more because this is the thing that I don't like. Bye. Is that a fly? Are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. There is literally a fly in my room. Okay. I can hear it, but I don't know where it is. Dang, guys. I was not expecting this. Not at all. Hey guys, welcome to day 27. It is 2:30 on Monday, April 23rd, and it is time to take the Halo Beauty. Initial impression. My nails have been the thing that I've noticed the biggest difference. Before I started this, I cut them down to the bud. Days went by, I didn't notice any difference, and then one day I woke up and they're kind of long. That was definitely the biggest change. Hair, I can kind of sort of tell a difference. It is a little bit longer. I don't know if it's longer than normal. My skin, I haven't noticed radical changes, but the acne on my skin is looking a bit better. I don't know if that's part of what this Halo Beauty stuff is supposed to do. It's kind of making a little bit of a difference in my acne. It seems like it's cleared up my acne a little bit. I don't know. I also filed this nail a little bit because it was just getting super jaggedy. Like this one was getting jaggedy too. So I just filed it down because it hurts when I move around with it. I only did this nail and then a little bit on this nail. This nail was like a little bit longer yesterday, but I kept messing up, so now it's like a little bit shorter. I just filed it because it was hurting me every time I touched it, so. Hey guys, welcome to day 28. It is 3:02 p.m. on Tuesday, April 24th. I just got home. I had to take the bus and then walk home, and I'm so tired. I'm so sweaty right now. I also stopped off at Starbucks and I got a venti pink drink and it's literally all gone. And then I also got a chicken wrap from Starbucks. It says new, but I think these are the chicken wraps that they used to have and then they stopped having them for some reason and now they're back. We're gonna take our Halo Beauty today. We have about 2 more days left. I cannot believe it. It actually went by so fast. There we are. Like I said, I think in a couple clips before, maybe the last clip, I do think it's working. My nails have definitely grown. They don't feel stronger right now. I think the strength thing would happen over time. They are a tad bit stronger. They don't break as much. They don't seem to be on the verge of breaking as much. I'm super sweaty right now, but I think my skin is a little bit more moisturized, and then my hair did grow a little bit. No, I think it's actually working and I'm kind of surprised. I really didn't think it would work. Hey guys, so it is a lot later than I normally do this because I just got home and I almost forgot actually. It is day 29 and it is Wednesday, April 25th and it is 8:35 p.m. and we are going to take our Halo Beauty pill now. This last week is going to be a little longer than 7 days, the normal 7 days, because 30 days doesn't really fit into the normal 7 days completely even. I'm almost done and then I can cut my nails. I'm so excited. I've gotten used to the long nails. They feel nicer. They haven't broken off like they normally would, which is good. Barky McBarkerson is at it again. Shush! Biggest change definitely I've noticed is my nails. Okay, focus. Is my nails. They've seen the biggest improvement out of all the stuff. Shush! It's kind of hard to show you because it never wants to focus on my nails. I will try and take some pictures and insert them. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day 30. It's day 30. We made it, you guys. It is 2:05 on Thursday, April 26th. We are going to take, ow, oh my god. It hurts so bad. Okay, we're gonna take the last installment of the Halo Beauty. You can see the last 2 pills in here. Oh my god, I can't believe it. We made it. That actually went by so quick. This little thing, this paper needs to go away. Look at that. It's empty. 100% empty. I can't believe it. That felt so quick. I also tried taking pictures of my nails yesterday. It was really hard. My nails have been the ones that have seen the most growth. I'm gonna try to show it to you like on my face. I don't know if you can tell how long it has grown. For me, that's been the most significant change that I've seen. My hair and my skin, the skin on my face, just got more oily. And I have naturally oily skin. I also have dry skin sometimes, which is the weirdest thing. But my hair, I can't really tell if it's healthier or just more oily. I do think it has grown a little bit. I can insert some pictures from my class. This is really hard. This is like where my hair is right now. It's like past my waist, so like to this pocket on my jeans. It feels a little bit healthier. It looks really oily. I don't really know how to fix it. That is it. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys would like me to try out Halo Beauty for longer and see if it gives better results the longer you take it. Let me know if you guys would like to see that in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, subscribe. I'll probably say this in the outro, but in case you don't make it there, It's really hard to show you my nails, but I'll insert the pictures anyway. And now I can cut them. I'm excited. I don't love having short nails, but I like having short nails. I did notice a little bit of peeling from the inside. Definitely not as much peeling as normally would have at this point. Overall thoughts, I think it does work. Do I want to spend $50 every month? I don't know. Maybe if you have more issues with your hair, skin, and nails, it would be worth it. It definitely works. My nails are longer. My first impression is that they're healthier. I don't know if they actually are. They look healthier. I mean, there's so many hair, skin, and nails things out there. If you guys would like me to try one of those things, leave it in the comments and I will do it for you. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried Halo Beauty and what you think of it in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Subscribe. The big red button pops up. No, it doesn't. I don't know. And click that notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. Check out all the rest of my social medias linked in the description box. Click around the screen for more videos, or click the description or any of the cards that have popped up during this video. You can binge watch my channel because that would be really nice. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!